toenails. Come here, sit down. Let's paint your toenails. Sit down. Go away, Starla. Turn around. Okay. Go. Thank you. You ugly? I'll paint your toenails? Huh? Let's put this in your toes. Put this between your toes. Can you say Nani?
Mama?
About paw paw.
Mama.
Yeah, we're gonna do that one too. Can you say paw paw? Huh? Can you say paw paw? Can you say paw paw?
Papa?
Can you say Adam?
Papa?
Can you say Matthew?
Mama?
Matthew?
Mama?
Yeah, can you say Christina?
Ita?
Christina?
Ita?
Can you say Chris? Chris? Chris?
Mama?
Chris? Okay, hang on. Put all this in our toes. Why don't you cut it in half? Okay, let's see. Can we see them all? Kind of? Well, hang on. I gotta fix it. Okay. Can we see them all? Yeah. Can you say nose? Nose. And what about eye? Eye. And ear? Ear. And teeth? Teeth. And what about finger? Finger. That's a toe. 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 Don't touch, no. What about... That's Mommy's toe, that's right. Yeah. Hang on, gotta blow dry them. We're gonna pause it so we can blow dry them.